Once upon a time, in a small town nestled among rolling hills, lived a young man named Daniel. Daniel was known for his friendly nature and infectious smile, but there was something peculiar about him. Despite his warm demeanor, he seemed to lack close friends. People often wondered how someone so amiable could be so alone. Daniel lived a simple life. He worked as a librarian, surrounded by shelves of books that provided him with solace and companionship. His days were spent helping visitors find their desired books, losing himself in the world of literature, and engaging in conversations with the characters that inhabited the pages. The library became his sanctuary, a place where he felt understood and embraced. Despite his contentment within the realm of books, Daniel yearned for human connection. He longed for the camaraderie and bond shared among friends. He wondered why, with his friendly nature, he couldn't seem to establish lasting relationships. His mind was filled with questions, doubts, and a tinge of sadness. One day, as Daniel was arranging books on a shelf, he came across an old volume that had been misplaced. The book's cover depicted a group of friends laughing and sharing an adventure. Curiosity sparked within him as he opened the book to discover the title, The Secrets of Friendship. Intrigued, Daniel began reading the book, hoping to uncover the mystery behind his lack of companions. Each chapter revealed valuable insights into building and nurturing friendships. He learned about the importance of empathy, trust, and genuine connection. As he delved deeper into the pages, he realized that friendship was a two-way street, requiring effort from both parties involved. Inspired by his newfound knowledge, Daniel decided to take action. He organized a book club at the library, inviting fellow enthusiasts to come together and discuss their favorite novels. His warm invitation attracted a small but dedicated group of individuals who shared his love for literature. The book club meetings became a sanctuary for those seeking intellectual and emotional connections. As the weeks passed, Daniel's book club expanded, drawing more people from different walks of life. The group morphed into a haven where friendships bloomed, ideas flourished, and souls were nourished. Daniel's knack for making everyone feel valued and heard transformed the library into a hub of community activity. His genuine interest in others' lives and willingness to lend a helping hand created an atmosphere of trust and belonging. People felt safe opening up to Daniel, sharing their dreams, fears, and aspirations. He was a confidant, a mentor, and a true friend to those who sought his guidance. Daniel's library became the epicenter of the town, a place that epitomized the power of human connection. People from all walks of life found solace within its walls. Lonely souls who had felt invisible suddenly found themselves surrounded by a community that saw their worth. The library became a testament to the fact that a lack of friends doesn't always indicate a lack of social skills. Sometimes, it signifies an abundance of potential friendships waiting to be formed. Daniel's dedication to fostering friendships left an indelible mark on the town. His small acts of kindness rippled through the community, inspiring others to reach out and form meaningful connections. The once isolated individuals found themselves surrounded by a network of support and love. As time went on, Daniel's library continued to thrive, not only as a place for books, but as a hub for forging connections. It became a testament to the notion that friendship is not limited to a select few, but rather a tapestry woven from the threads of understanding, compassion, and shared experiences. In the end, Daniel realized that the absence of close friends was not a reflection of his own worth.